Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. I am your friend John. Today, the topic of my video is monkey. Before starting my video, please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Monkey is a phenomenal animal in the wildlife. Some of the special character in wildlife is a monkey. The body shape and the character of monkey is very interesting. They belongs to the peoples and also a man and woman family. Monkey have a very intelligent animals. They live in a forest and also above of a tree. The specialty of monkey is jumping style. They can jump one and one into the trees. They eat especially bananas. They have very charming and intelligent and a gorgeous personality. I hope you will be enjoy this video. Before ended my video, please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel and stay tuned for my next video. Goodbye and take care your pets.